Oh, rump warbler. There he goes. Gosh, he went far. I'm gonna try to get him in this tree here, but he's been messing around. Well, there definitely was a herd of deer here last night. Actually, this looks pretty fresh, so maybe earlier this morning. Literally just stopped the camera. The deer came out right in front of me. I stared for a while. I hear a bluebird. See the deer? Got it. Had to replace the battery. Wow, a bunch of birds over there. We'll get a little closer and then maybe you'll be able to see. There's one, there's another. Juncos and goldfinches. What scenery out here? It's amazing. I got chickadee. Ooh, there's a cardinal hiding in there. Gee. Oh, another one over there. That one was right next to me. He wasn't even hiding, but oh, look at that. Got a couple of them in a tree there. Beautiful. 2 male cardinals in a cedar tree. It's been a long time since I've been out here, especially on a snowy day like this. Like years. I was right on the edge of the tree there for a moment. Oh, there's another one. So I guess there were 3 back there, unless the first one flew back in and I missed it somehow. There's another one. They're just loaded with cardinals. Good habitat setting shot there. Well, I know that's not the only cardinal, so there's another one. It's gorgeous, just the trees alone. What is that up there? That's huge, whatever it's got in there. It's a red-bellied woodpecker. I'd like to find where that bluebird was. Get a picture of that in the snow. That'd be stunning. We used to have bluebird boxes out here somewhere that might still be around, but don't know exactly where. I heard a bluebird that way. No. Just amazing landscape right now. Hearing a rattle call. Duck. The rattle call is like a long spur. There's two birds that sound similar. It's a Lapland longspur and snow bunting. But I think that was the Lapland. That duck was. Oh, huh. Looks like a common merganser. Don't see those around here too often. Usually like large lakes. This bird just called that way. Heard it again. Might be flying. Oh, there's a bird up there. That's probably it. Eastern bluebird. There he goes. Down low. That is gorgeous. Hear that? So one just flew over. Oh, he's right there. I just want to get a little bit higher so the background isn't the sky. Maybe if we could just get these woods behind them, that would work. Like that. It said it wouldn't snow again. Yet here we are. They can't make up their mind today, it seems, because when I checked first thing in the morning about 6:30 or maybe 5:30, it said it was going to snow all the way till 10 a.m. Then I went to my first location and the snow had stopped. I checked the radar and it had totally cleared up. And then it said it wasn't going to snow anymore. It was done for the day. But here it is. It's starting to shower again. Like little snow pebbles. Not your classic snowflake shape. But snow is snow. It looks so gorgeous on the trees. I'm gonna do some slow motion if I can. 120. He's not still there, is he? Okay. Some point it flew off, but I got some stills at least. Not sure how well you can see the picture on the GoPro, but I love it. That is exactly what I was hoping for. I wasn't even hoping it would snow, but it just added such a nice touch. Alright, now what? Guess we'll head that way and just see what's down there. Northern flicker shouldn't be out of the realm of possibility. I especially want to see that warbler again. Any warbler in the snow is a cool thing. I thought maybe I heard something like a purple finch, but I don't know. It's a bluebird up in the not sure what kind of tree that is. So we just about made a big loop. You could see our footsteps here from earlier. And that means the warbler's still somewhere. I don't know where. Two sandhill cranes flying. Terrible pictures, but they're identifiable. Pretty soon they'll get flagged as rare on eBird, but only for like a week or two. Maybe in the month of January. Bluebird. That was another one. Look at how coated everything is. I did not think this would happen this year. A woodpecker. Sounds like he's up kind of high. It's a hairy woodpecker. Those are a bunch of American goldfinches. Those look like cedar waxwings. About 20 of them just flew by. Imagine a cedar waxwing on something like this. That would be awesome. And not out of the realm of possibility today. Just gotta catch up to them and resist the urge to take pictures of all these. Shouldn't be too hard now. Battery's dead. I have a spare in here somewhere. Okay, hold on. Oh no, that's not my only battery. Well, we fumbled around long enough. I could probably stick this one back in and get another shot. Works like a dream. That's how you know your battery is getting old. Not holding the charge it used to. And then it says it's dead before it's actually dead. Okay. The types of textures I see here would make for a great painting. It's like this classic, I don't know, Thomas Kincaid or something. So the challenge I've put on for myself today is to try to remember everything. So I don't want to be like standing around and listing all the stuff on eBird. Instead of doing that, I'm going to do it all at the end and hope I don't forget anything. That's the warbler. Heck that way. Just on an open branch right there. These are the first ones out on this trail. Not even a deer's come through here yet. Oh, spoke too soon. Got some coyote tracks. They're fairly fresh. Nope. This way. The last 3 places in a row that I've been to that have had cedars, there's been a yellow-rumped warbler. And that was all in the last couple days. I can hear him calling right over here. gorgeous out there. Fox sparrow. There he is. Got some berries here. Psst. Psst. Oh, he's up kind of high. Should I still get a picture? There might not be too bad. Thing with snow, you can't always be too shy about going up into the sky, because sometimes you can get a real nice high key look. And it just kind of all blends together. Nothing wrong with that. House bench. This coyote just went, nope. That's interesting. All right, well, I think that about wraps it up for this spot. And that was really cool.